Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. These are the Li-Ning running shoes. These are the Shadow 3 Essentials. Let's check this out. These look pretty cool. Apparently, which I didn't know this, but these Li-Ning shoes are basically the flagship for like Chinese sports. So a little bit of history on here. Established in 1990, Li-Ning is the Chinese leader in athletic apparel and footwear, rooted in the vision of its founder and namesake, champion gymnastic and Olympic athlete Mr. Li-Ning, with 106 gold medals and the nickname the Prince of Gymnastics. Mr. Li founded the company with a simple goal of providing Chinese athletes with a national brand to wear on the world stage of the Olympics. Historically, one of the West's rare portals and views into authentic Chinese culture. So, pretty cool little history on that. Check these shoes out. They're unlike anything I've ever seen before as far as this interesting, like, this thin piece. I want to say, I'm not even sure what this is made of. Maybe like a carbon fiber. These things weigh almost nothing, but yeah, and under the, if you look up under here, like it's literally where your heel lands, there's just like a pocket there, and these are surrounded on either side. So it's kind of almost like hollow under where your heel is, and it like disperses the impact out. Very interesting. So we got this soft shoe, like stuff that surrounds it, this like, whatever this is, very hard material there. Very cool looking shoes though. So here's the other one. Like I said, unlike really anything I've ever seen before, I haven't really seen like this gap. Basically, your whole foot is just suspended over this, so like no arch impact at all that I can tell. Underneath we have this also kind of like a harder, like I'm not even sure what kind of, this is their Rebound by Jiang technology. Like I said, these things are super lightweight. If you want to check out the eyelets here, they have this like hardened plastic around there, so that's not going to tear, and also reinforcement on all the other laces, so very cool. Let's unscrew this, not unscrew, let's untie this real quick. Kind of excited to try these on. I've been looking for a running shoe. I'm going to start running. I don't like running. Wow. So you can see my fingers through here. This is all super like a mesh thing. Should be very breathable. It's got this secondary one also that goes, like, I don't know if you can see this white material here, but it's like a secondary like material in there, like, and that's also like got a lot of, it's very porous and breathable. This is quite stretchy too. On the back we have this, like, it's contoured here for easy access and a nice little thing to hold on to slide your foot in. Yeah, guys, just some pretty sweet looking shoes. I'm gonna try these on and see what I think about them here. Let's see. I think I just slide this one in real quick. So I wear 10.5, and that's the size I ordered. And these are true to form, so that's good to know. Wow, that is, whoa, that is interesting. It's it feels pretty springy, guys. I gotta say, like just stepping down on here, because you see the foot is like, this is, we have the contour of it, and it's kind of like, it's flat, or it's kind of rounded. So when you step down, it's hard to describe. It's kind of like it's bringing that in, and then it almost feels like it's, when you're walking, that it's like kind of pushing you out. So wow, just really springy. Like initial, my first impressions here is excellent. Like I'm trying to like actually like roll my foot, because I've got some running shoes before, and they felt like if I was running kind of fast and was trying to turn at an angle, that you would just kind of roll your ankle. I'm literally trying to roll my ankle here, but it's like keeping me from doing so. So I really like that because I rolled my ankle playing basketball quite a few times, and that's no fun. I'm actually pretty excited to take these out for a run, guys. These are like feel super comfortable, like really lightweight, like I'm not even wearing anything. And like I said, it's got this like spring to it. So I'm gonna wear these for a little while. I'm gonna try and take them for like maybe like a 2 or 3 mile run and let you guys know what I think about these. But initially, first impression, I'm really impressed with these. All right, friends. So I've been wearing these most of the time for almost a couple weeks now, and I really like them. They're super comfortable. Yeah, they're just a great pair of shoes. I was on the, whether I'm on the treadmill, just when I'm jogging, running, anything, just every day walking around. They're very comfortable. They seem to offer really good, my feet don't hurt at the end of the day after walking. They're lightweight, breathable, no like feet sweating or anything like that. They're easy to clean too. Just a really nice shoe. I mean, I'm really impressed with these. Probably of all the shoes I've worn and reviewed, these have got to be high top 5 as far as just comfortable and just, yeah, convenient. So I really like these. The material seems fairly durable. Haven't had any issues with them at all. Been running, went out on my mountain bike, took them on the scooter, treadmill. I was trying to do through like everyday life so I could get like a really good, you know, a real like review on these. And yeah, they're really cool. I really like these shoes. So anyways, my friends, I hope this review was helpful. Thanks so much for watching. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.